Keeping device software up to date is critical for your business, because when devices are not working properly, they create headaches for you and your users. If a firmware-over-the-air or FOTA update could solve these headaches, consider using ThingSpace Software Management for FOTA. It's the same enterprise service Verizon uses for IoT device updates. The service enables you to reduce expensive truck rolls, quickly address security vulnerabilities, and quickly deploy new features and bug fixes, using Verizon's secure and reliable wireless network. ThingSpace Software Management offers simple remote management, so you are in control when your devices are updated, all while reducing your overall software management costs. The way ThingSpace Software Management works is first the device vendor issues a software update, and you are notified by the device vendor or ThingSpace. Once that happens, you can create a software update campaign in ThingSpace. A campaign includes what software gets installed on which devices at what time. Once the campaign begins, ThingSpace notifies the devices of an update. Then the devices will download and install that update. Finally, the devices report back the status of the update to ThingSpace, and you can review the campaign summary to check that the device update was successful. Once these devices are updated, you and your users can get the most out of your IoT devices.